beautiful people, welcome to 2025. Today we have a remarkable woman and we'll have a tour of her magnificent space. She is a researcher, a lecturer, and has a title of doctorate to her name. Over and above that, she is also a woman of unwavering faith. She invites us to her magnificent space to have a look around and to have a conversation. She is none other than Dr. Deki Omukoba. Let's discover, explore, and engage.
Hi, Nyla.
Hey, Dr. Deki.
Hey. Happy New Year.
You look so stunning. First of all, turn around. I want the viewers to see this gorgeous outfit.
Thank you.
So beautiful.
Thank
you look amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you for opening your home to us.
Anytime.
And this is for you.
Thank you. It's so pretty.
Bringing blessings into your home.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
May it withstand all the storms.
Thank you.
And blessings.
Yes.
And favor.
Yes.
Into your home.
Thank you.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Please come in.
The depth of this space is something else. Oh my goodness. Talk to me about your space. How big is the space? How many rooms is it?
This is a 4-bedroom house.
Okay.
It has 4 bedrooms. There's 1 downstairs. There are 3 upstairs.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, come on, guys. You should be here with me, guys. My goodness, I can't believe it's only 4 bedrooms. It looks like 10 bedroom guys.
Oh, it's 4. Yes.
There are no underground.
No.
Are you sure? You know, these days there are people with underground spaces.
I know. But this is it.
This is it. I love it.
Thank
I
you.
love
Thank you
everything
very much.
about this space so much.
Thank
Particularly how high the ceiling is. The huge windows. It just gives you life. You walk into your space and you just feel alive.
That's
you know?
true. That's very true.
Right?
Yes, that's
Talk
very
to me
true.
about the inspiration behind having such a huge ceiling into your space.
I always love space. That's to begin with. I've always loved to be in a spacious place, a place where I can breathe in and breathe out.
Yes.
And also be in touch with the outside world.
Okay.
So I wanted something that would be open. You know, the feeling of being outdoors. Yeah. So that was one of the inspirations of this particular space, and making sure that it is high. Yes.
So did you get the inspiration from your architect, or did you get the inspiration from somewhere else? Maybe Pinterest or something?
Prior to this, I had been looking at a lot of documentaries and shows about houses.
Yes.
I was known to be the house person, because every time I would come back from work, I would just put something about a house. And so just looking through many of the houses, especially the houses outside, I got a lot of inspiration of what I wanted to do. And so when I started my conversations with the architect, he said, what do you have in mind? And I said, okay, let me send you something that I have in my mind, something that has been sitting inside of me as a desire that I want. And so when I gave this to him, then he was able now to draw based on what I really wanted and what had been inspiring me for some time.
So this was not like Pinterest, so this was just
it wasn't really Pinterest, but it was just a collection of the many thoughts
and many places
and many places I had visited. Yes.
And not to mention, you studied in the US.
Yes.
So of course, with all that travel, it gave you a lot of ideas.
Yes.
All their homes are not particularly this kind of style.
I mean, it's there are different kinds of home, definitely in the US. It depends. Just the same way here. There are different, designs and all that. But I would say for sure, a lot of the inspiration that I got was also from being exposed to the outside world and what people are doing and what people are building in, in other nations. So that was one of it.
Oh,
Yes.
super, super cool. You're a scholar, but you have so much style.
Thank you.
And I love the design as well. The palette of your space is neutral. I like the pop of colors on the cushions, the blue. It works perfectly.
Thank you.
The beige, the layering of colors as well. Talk to me about the idea behind. So talk to me about the walls.
Yes.
Because it's almost like off-white, and then this particular, your focal wall,
Yes.
has beautiful wallpaper. Was that a wallpaper or that's painting?
This is painting, it's not wallpaper.
Oh, really?
This is still
with
painting.
textures.
Actually, this is what you find outside.
Okay.
So it's the rough and tough kind of painting. So I wanted something that would act like a centerpiece of this entire room. So just to break the monotony of the off-white,
Yes.
I decided to bring a little bit of what was outside inside. So it's like turning it inside out.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is what you would find outside. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And it's locally available?
It's very locally available.
So you have it, guys. This year we're saying invest, create, and own your own spaces. This is one of the ideas that I truly believe is incredibly beautiful, and I love it. Let's talk about the windows.
Yes.
You were like, I'm going to have high ceiling, yes, but also I will not limit the lighting in the space.
Yes.
Making your space airy and spacious as well.
Okay, so what I was thinking when I was designing it is if the roof is going to be high, then the windows should be high, so that they can bring in as much light as possible. So mostly the inspiration was, lighting the house and just making sure that when you're inside the house, you are not so enclosed from the outside. That you still have that outside experience.
Your space is neutral. I like the pop of colors on the cushions, the blue. It works perfectly. The beige, the layering of colors as well. Talk to me about the idea behind. So talk to me about the walls. I see the kind of the railings. Railings are small enough. It's a beautiful design. Nice to look at. It's not taking away from the aesthetic of the window itself. I'm sure this is obviously for your security purposes. So for people at home, I highly recommend this kind of idea. I love it. It's different. So was this made, or did you buy the windows as is, or was it designed?
No, they're actually very separate. The window and the grill are very separate. So they are separated. Both of them were made, separately, and then they were brought on site and then joined together.
Yes. So did you have somebody take over the construction for you, or you part of the construction?
No, not at all. Not at all. I had somebody take over the entire work. I was just coming to just supervise,
like the boss lady that you are.
Just check what's going on. I mean, primarily because I did not want to do something that I felt I wasn't extremely conversant in. So I preferred getting an expert to do it. Oh,
I like the idea of that. Let's talk about the lighting. So you have the beautiful lighting that's different. I like how intricate and small. It's more like Moroccan style. Talk to me about the lighting. What were you trying to achieve? Because you have layers of lighting in your space.
What I was trying to achieve primarily was mood. So that with the different lightings that are in the house, you can create different atmospheres and moods at different times. So if you want, a little bit of a low lighting, then you can just play with the wall ones. But if you are interested now in having a lot of light, then you can go up and use the chandelier. So depending on how you feel when you come back home, then you turn off the lights that can assist you or can enhance how you feel. So most of the time when it's getting late into the night when I want to go to bed, then I make sure that the lightings come low. But if I have guests around, then I would make sure that there's a lot of lighting.
Enough lighting to entertain. Let's talk about this focal point as well. I like the grey wall at the back. Is that tough and rough? rough as well?
It's the same rough and tough that we were talking about. So it's the same one that we have it there as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like the little details on the gypsum wall there.
Yeah. So
are those collectible from your travel?
Yes. So all these things were, things that I was looking out for. What can I get?
Yes.
Pieces that I can bring together and make sure that they make the house, more homely and beautiful.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Any memorable piece there?
A lot of these things are memorable because we collected them together with my siblings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, we went out and we were looking at what can we get. But this one, the one at the back, the fan, is one of the most memorable one that we have. We have two of them. This is something that I was attending a conference in Dubai, an AI conference in Dubai. So there were lots of, companies that had come around and just showcasing what they had. And there was a competition and I won the fan.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Let's talk about now the furniture in your space. The beige seats, they are very cozy. And this, my favorite, the blue. Yes.
Oh, you're wearing blue as well.
I know. I love blue. Yes. Talk to me about the seats. Yeah, and just the furniture. Where did you buy the furniture?
Yes.
And what inspiration were you going for your furniture in the space? Yeah.
I tend to like a little bit of cool colors.
Okay.
Not shouting a lot.
Yes.
Just make it cool.
Yeah.
So when I was buying furniture, that was the inspiration. Just something that would make the house remain a little bit cool.
Yeah.
So I got these furnitures from a furniture house, but these ones were locally made.
Nice.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. These ones were
for
just
real?
made. Yes. Yeah.
This looks so, the workmanship is exceptional. I love it.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
So these ones were, I got them from, just someone along the road that was able to make them for me.
Okay.
Yeah. So I wanted to have a mix of the beige and the blue. So that's how I introduced these ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the cushions as well, were they like picked from different places?
Yeah,
Like,
the cushions, some of them were locally made, some of them I bought them.
Yeah.
Like this one, I bought this one.
Yes.
But this one, the same person that made this.
The seats,
The blue ones were
Yeah.
made by the same person.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. I feel like I got everything that I wanted.
Okay.
Because remember, I had this in my mind already.
Yeah.
I had the things that I wanted, even when it came to the furniture.
Yeah.
I had already designed in my mind, I want this, I want this, I want to get this furniture from this place.
Yeah.
And I want this one locally made. I want to buy these ones that are already ready-made.
Yes.
So I feel like I got everything that I wanted. There wasn't any, compromise. It's actually later on that I started adding more, more furniture to it. Yeah. As I got more inspiration, then I started adding, more and more to the living room to make it more cozier.
Lovely, lovely. Let's talk about the flow. There's a theme that I see that works with the seat for some reason. I don't know if you've noticed that. Talk to me about the flow.
Yes.
What were you trying to achieve? Because it looks like somehow there is a pattern that you were trying to work with that complements also your flow as well.
Yes. So I was trying to make sure, first of all, that even the flow would bring color and light to it. Okay. So I wanted something that would be bright in terms of the tiles.
Yes.
I wanted the tiles to be, bright color.
Yes.
But have a little bit of texture to it.
Yes.
So that it can complement even the seats.
Yes.
And even the carpet and all that. Yeah, so there was that idea behind it.
Very, can we call it demure? She is an expert in communications and PR, beautiful people, a doctor as well. This is what books can do for you and the Lord too.
That's true.
My goodness.
That's true.
More to come, guys. We're gonna go to the next space. I hope you're getting inspired. This
already.
Yeah.
I had the things that I wanted, even when it came to the furniture.
Yeah.
I had already designed in my mind, I want this, I want this, I want to get this furniture from this place.
Yeah.
And I want this one locally made. I want to buy these ones that are already ready-made.
Yes.
So I feel like I got everything that I wanted. There wasn't any, compromise. It's
remember, God can do it for you, right?
That's true. That's very true.
I love that. Oh, I forgot to talk about that clock.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes, this is a vintage clock that my sister picked it for me.
Okay.
Yeah, so she said we need to have something vintage in the house that we can be able to introduce. And so she picked this piece for me, and I really love it.
It's gorgeous.
Yes,
it's beautiful. How many are you in your family?
Oh, we are 3 of us.
Okay,
we are 3 girls. Yes.
Girls.
Yes.
You'll tell me more.
Yes, I
Meanwhile,
will.
I want to see the other space. Are you guys dying to see the other space as much as I am? I just want to sit here, enjoy, and just savor this beautiful space. And before we go to the next room, there's this sunroof. Guys, I'm sure this is such a brilliant idea for most homes.
Yes.
If you're building one, if it's sunny, if it's raining and it's sunny, you get to experience all weather.
Yes.
Talk to me about just this detail.
This detail is one of the things that helps you to interact with nature.
Yes.
So that when it's raining, you can see that it's raining.
Yes.
When it's sunny, you can actually sunbathe when you're still inside of the house.
Yeah.
When the stars are out, you can be, inside your living room, but still interact with nature and all that. And sometimes you can even be able to see the moon from here. Yes. Yeah.
Talk to me about the inspiration behind the look and feel of your dining area.
Yes.
Yeah.
For the dining area, we wanted to create a space for the family and also for guests.
Yeah.
A place that you could just come and with the coolness of the light, you just want to stay and eat even more.
Nice.
Yes.
You eat more? You need to eat more, Dr. Deki.
That's for sure. So that was the inspiration behind it.
Okay.
So creating a space that is cool, a space that is cozy,
yes,
where people can just come and have conversations together, as well as they sit down and just enjoy a nice meal together.
Lovely.
Yes.
I like the furniture here, the lighting, and the ceiling. There's something so unique. It has character and personality.
Yes.
Like you mixed up the colors, the textures, the layering of lighting.
Yes.
I love everything about it. Talk to me about, let's start with the ceiling and then the lighting and then the furniture.
Okay. Now for the ceiling, I wanted something that was wooden-like.
Yes.
So again, just to get in touch with, nature and, just that feel of I'm outside, And so I wanted to break the monotony of just having gypsum only.
Yes.
And so I introduced the wooden panels.
Yes.
Yeah, so that they can create something different, something unique in the dining area. And also to match it as well with a dining table.
Nice.
To create that symmetry as well.
I like that. Yeah, you're right. Would you call yourself a creative?
I am a creative in terms of writing. That's where mostly my creative side expresses itself.
Yeah.
But when it comes to spaces, I love a beautiful space. I love an inspirational space.
Yes.
And actually, when I was trying to do the interior decor, I didn't feel like I would do it on my own. I was trying to get an interior designer to do it.
Yes.
But I couldn't be able to find one.
Okay.
So at the long run, I had to do it, by myself with the assistance of my siblings.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's where the inspiration came from. So when it comes to creativity, yes, I am creative, but primarily in the writing space.
Okay, in the writing space.
Yes.
I truly believe you are such a dedicated person in everything that you do.
Yes.
Everything has to be exceptional. Everything has to be perfect. And you give your all, the dedication to make sure that everything is meticulous, very artistic. The little detail, the intricate details within the space says so much about you as a person. And it goes back to you going back to school as a lecturer. I will go back. I mean, we're going to talk about that.
Yes.
I don't want to deviate that from this for now.
Yes.
But I want to talk about this lighting. Where did you get that lighting from?
I got this lighting from a store along Thika Road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
What did you like about it? Because I love it. It feels like a brooch. Right?
Yes, that was the inspiration behind it, because it kind of felt like, a jewelry piece.
Yeah.
Yes. And so when I was looking around, I was really inspired by that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So especially, what looks like a C in the middle. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
like
that was the
that.
inspiration behind it.
I like that. Is that, did you get the wall brackets as well?
The wall brackets, this is a collection from different places.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It wasn't just one place.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just walking around. And one of the things about now interior decor is that it's a lot of decision making.
Yes.
Because when you get there, then
Yeah.
it is how do you want your house to look?
Yes.
It becomes an expression of who you are.
Yes.
So somebody cannot really do it for you. You have
I
to do
agree.
it because it talks about who you are. It talks about your taste, your
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
You talk about the colors that resonate with you.
Yes.
And so when it came to more of what you get to see with your eyes when it comes to this house,
Yes.
it's a lot of decision making.
Yeah.
And decision making from a place of who are you.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you married?
Not yet.
I had to throw that in because I've just had I.
No.
Are you dating, Dr. Deki? Not yet.
Yes.
There you go, guys. She's got good taste, and I love everything about her. I'm sure you guys out there can see the good taste. She's clever, she's smart, she's gorgeous.
Thank you.
And I love everything about your space.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you want to get married some point?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah?
Yes. I love family. I absolutely love the idea of family. It's amazing.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what kind of a guy do you want?
Oh, really nice.
Yes. What's your perfect guy? What kind of a perfect guy are you looking for?
Oh, I think it's mostly about compatibility. I would say so.
Okay.
It's mostly about someone that you can be able to think together.
Yeah.
Somebody that you can be able to grow together with.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Someone that you can be able to see far.
Okay.
Together with. Okay. Yeah. And be able to be challenged as well.
Okay.
Yeah. In the journey of life.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what I would say.
I'm tempted to ask. Tall, dark, and handsome. Tall, dark, and
Why not?
Why not?
Yes.
There you go, guys. Tall, dark, and handsome. I wanted to just ask where you sourced this from, then we can go into kitchen, because I love the theme here and the kitchen. It complements your kitchen as well.
Yes.
You didn't go far off from what your space looks like.
Yes.
Talk to me about where you bought this furniture from. I like it. It's very solid. The design is incredible.
I got the furniture from a furniture house.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
That's where I got it from. So they are already, they are ready-made. You just buy them.
Yes.
Yeah, the way they are.
You like them because of?
I love them. I love the wooden, as I had said. The cool colors is what I really love. Yeah, something that is not shouting out there.
Yeah.
Something that is cool.
Okay.
Yes.
And you were wise enough to make sure that your curtains are white, the walls are so that you can play around.
Yes.
Very nice. I like that a little detail there of the sink, so that people don't have to go to the toilets.
Yes. Yeah.
And it looks so cute.
Thank you.
I love that. Plus the mirror. What a beautiful additional function for the dining area.
Yes.
And also when your people are here dining, you can be cooking.
Yes.
And the fact that also it's not blocked, so people can access you even if you're in the kitchen.
Yes.
Access you, but not so much.
Not so much. Yes.
Was that the idea?
Yeah, I wanted something that is half open space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that when somebody's in the kitchen, you can still have conversations with them.
Yes.
And maybe ask, what are you cooking?
Yes,
I'm getting a little bit hungry.
Yes.
Yeah. So that half open space is something that I wanted. I didn't want to have an enclosed space.
Okay.
I just wanted the kitchen together with the dining to flow all the way.
Super cool.
Yes.
And there's tools up there. It's still functional.
Yes.
It's blocking people from seeing the whole kitchen, but it's also functional because it's like a high stool with your bar there.
Yes.
People get to dine as you're cooking. Do you cook?
I do.
What's your...
Not a lot, but I do.
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
So
but
what
I
favorite
do.
meal do you make? What's your favorite meal?
The favorite meal I make that people tend to like is mandazi. So
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
it's not really a meal; it's a snack that
It's
I
a snack.
make. Yeah,
Okay.
but generally I can cook anything.
You can cook
yes.
anything.
Yeah.
Lovely. Guys, are you learning? Are you growing? This year we're saying we are creating, we're investing, and we're owning our own spaces. We thank Dr. Deki because I am learning so much from her, because I want you at home to own your own space and create your own space that is as lovely and as gorgeous as Dr. Deki. Thank you for opening this space for us.